All right, we're back 1 minute before the open. We have been seeing strong momentum right at the open. So the bell's gonna ring in about a minute. Hopefully my sound is good. So if you're watching this, cover your ears. Let me know if the sound is good. It's the sound of the bell at the open. Anyway, we're watching CYCN. And if I need to adjust my sound, just let me know. Let's see. Got a little gap right here. We may go for a nice ride at the open. Target is, first target is 625. Quick target. 33 to 20. There's one there. Here comes the bell, so let me know if it's good sound. So I'm going to take one share here. My account is ready. There was no dip here, man. I'm looking for a dip. Man, that was crazy. Ah, no dip, huh? The level 2 is just insane, dude. All right, well, that is going to be the best we're going to do at the moment. I mean, let's just give everything back. 56 is that low. Small size on the gap and go 70s, 60s, straight down 70s again. Level 2 is moving really fast. What about this? Not a lot of volume. There's a little gap right there, 56. It got disrespected. You have a target here at 288, maybe $3. Oh, bananas. How much volume on that candle? Almost 5 million shares. Still watching, seeing if it forms a pattern. There's nothing here. This one might grind a little higher, over 63. Nice. Okay, good. Let's see how well these want to hold. We're still pretty early in the open. We haven't taken our trade yet. $73 is low. Under 73, I'll get a dip here. 73 to 63, so 10 cents, about 10 cents. Nope. Dip. Or a dip. All right. Is this going to be strong enough to go through this? Right over 6. No, rejecting that. Back over 6. If it's back over 6, I might take it. Nope. No, now it's back over 6. It's in a choppy manner. I don't really find it. This one's popping. Man. Dip to 33. We could dip to 5 on this. Hold on, it's 472. $80. Okay, this is a 90. Topping wick, maybe. I was gonna buy that. That was not a good buy. Good job not buying that. I thought it would call 90, but it came below that. Looking for an entry, looking for an entry. Like this is choppy, it just went straight up. I wanted to see like form a gap. I want to see like the price action that fits my strategy. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect, but here we go, 73. So I mean, it's 5 minutes gonna look so bad. I wonder if it's gonna work though. No, not a chance to get down there. Okay, this thing can get over 6. Yep, there you go. Dip, dip, dip. Come on, brother, give me a dip. Give me a dip under. Just give me a dip. Come on. Fine, I'll take 13. Hold 6, hold 6, hold 6, hold 6. Yeah. Lost 10 cents there, doing a full 6. Oh, that looks so good, man. All right, cap and go won't work on that. That looks so good for a break of for the continuation. Only 400 shares, 10 cents, fair enough. Okay, here, come on, let me get a dip. 73. Doesn't want to. It's holding 80s, 77, 75s. Oh, what's it here? 63 is that low. I could take this. Is it gonna do it? It's holding. It's getting shorted. Again, shorting on the pops, right? So dips are working better. Maybe we can grab a dip at 630. I got no gap on this. If it's not a dip down here, I don't know. Dang, look at that price action. So low to 72. Okay. 616, it seems like. I'll take it. Tight stop, 16. Pretty tight stop, 16. So anything here is good. Wow, beautiful. 400 shares on that. Could have added right at the break of 50. So got out on that. Incredible volatility on this stock. Got out 80s and 65. Another one here. Oh, what a dip. What a dip here. Oh, I missed that. Dang it. I missed that. And I'm missing this one more. Ah, that's crazy. I got some of it though. It's just important. Man, that's crazy. That was insane. So this could actually go. This could actually go here. I have a strong feeling this could go, but it's outside my strategy. Don't know if I want to risk it for the break of 3. Here we go. High that is 90. Might go for the break of 3. Excellent play here, right? On the gap, right? So that's why it works so well if these gaps hold, because my understanding is these algos are there. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. 90, hold 90, hold 90, hold 90. Same thing here. Oh, I can't buy this? Rejected by power cannot purchase. Why not? Oh, what's going on? Oh my gosh, I'm buying the wrong stock. RENX. Oh, okay, that was the issue. Oh, wow. Whew. I don't know what I would have bought. Not enough buying power. Okay, thank you. Common mistake here. So what's this? 94. We're going for that break. Oh man. That's unbelievable there. Under 3. 94 is that low. So you got a whole 3. Yeah, let's do it. Tight stop. No, tight stop. Maybe I get it a little lower, 97, 96. I did see it. It was fast. It was really fast. It's holding, it's holding, it's holding, it's holding. Had the wrong stock in there. Oh, bro. Dang it. Brother. Yeah, the stock is garbage. It says it went to 44, but I didn't see that. Nobody saw that. Yeah, I had to. I probably had to give a little. I had to give it more room there to 94. It'd be okay to risk the 60 cents. Oh well. Get rid of this. What's the next target on this? Man, I had this trade, brother. Oh, I had that trade. Okay. All right, there will be more opportunities today, so staying calm. 20, okay, 30 seconds for this resumption. This guy is crazy. It's at okay, next target is 950 on this. So can we get a dip? I would get a really small size down all the way to 640 is the hold down. So I'm looking for a massive dip. Yeah, dip, more dip. I'm looking for a bigger dip. Well, that is 72. Fine, I'll get in here. 702. Tight stop. Yeah, tight stop. 70 seems to be the spot. Let's see. I'll give one more time. We'll give it one more try here. Small size. Actually, I'll size up here on the dip. If it goes to 72, I'll size up. Need to see a dip here. I know it can. Here is a dip. Here's a dip. Small red gap here. 35 to that top. All right. Well, dip or what? Seventies. If it doesn't hold 70s, my break 568 is the hold down. So for me, it needs to hold this gap 640s. I'm gonna take 200. See if I can get a dip in the 70s. $78. Tight stop. Otherwise, I'm going to look for it lower. Okay, lower. E. It's so fast. It's like hard to tell. You know? Want to get a dip lower. That's what you got to keep. I got to keep my stop a little wider. So if I want to be able to make something on this, I need to keep my stop a little wider. That was a good entry, 78. So, I have to keep my stop a little wider. That's for sure. Okay, here we go. Back to 80s. I reject this. Coming down. Okay. We're going to look for a dip right under 72. This is going to give a 5-minute play here. Right under 72 for a beautiful 5-minute play. Because that's what you're looking at. I'll take 600 shares here. Right under 72. Watching. Yeah, you might not do it. Put the stop at 40. We'll see. Maybe it's just going to be a tight stop. It's a 30-cent drop. Here we go. I'm gonna size up. I think it's worth it. Hopefully it doesn't fail. It's got strong. It's still pretty strong. Dip on this. I think it's gonna give a dip, and then we're gonna. The dips have been working so well under 72. If I get it on the 60s, I might hold to 40. It all depends. Watching it, I'm watching it very close. 5-minute setup for a dip. This is a 5-minute gap. Looking for that dip and that explosion to retest the highs. Almost 10. One last move before 10. Come on, buddy. One last move. One last move before 10. Before 10 a.m. $74. Sorry, 72. Don't want it to be a flush. Don't want it to be a flush. Just the right dip. Just the right dip here. All right, fine. I'll take that. 62. 62. Might get out here. Not good enough. There you go. 40. 40. Beautiful entry. Let's get it. Let's get it, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me. There you go. Taking some out here. Taking some out in the 60s. Come on. 200. Back to the highs. Leaving 200. Back to the highs we go. Back to the highs we go. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. 70s. Bang. Bang. Nice. Excellent. Okay. That's the dip I'm talking about. Right on the 5-minute gap. Excellent. 100 shares here now. All right. Stop break even. This 30 bucks. Well, Thinkorswim doesn't have a break-even stop, but if it comes down, I'll take it off. So I got 50s, 60s, and 70s. Nice. Great trade. Dang. Nice. So I will look to add to this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I needed to get out right in the 20s, right? Because that's a red gap. Let me see if I can get out here. Yeah, I'll get out right here. Right on that gap. Yeah, right on this red gap. That's a perfect spot to get out. But if it goes to yo, what? Oh, I got out 14 on the rest. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. You know, it can give you many faces and many looks. Looks like we got a move here. Bro, that's insane. Okay. Um, this thing is just going, huh? Thing is just gonna go 49 to the next hold, 872. So if it's hot, it's gonna be hot 49. I'll take small sides here and get a start here at 50s. I'll get a start at 65. Please hold. Starter 67. Starter 67. Looking for this to just squeeze, man. At this momentum. Looking for it to give me a dip. Ay, 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 ay. My interest 67. It could work. It could work. I gotta be okay with this. Yep. Bang, bro. I wanted to add two again at 70s. Dude, this thing is nuts, man. I didn't expect this level of volatility, but I was looking, that's the reason why I used 200 shares, because I'm looking to add, and I didn't quite find a place to add on this. I wanted to add 70s, but I came back to 67, and I'm thinking, okay, let me just wait a second, but it's immediate. These moves are immediate. Looking for a dip here in the 750s. Um, there might be a lot of support here in the 750s. Here we have kind of two tops. The breakout was right at 730, so maybe a dip into this area would be nice. And also the 5-minute, it's a 743. So if it wants to form a 5-minute gap, it'll form at 743. So it won't, if it wants to form a 5-minute gap, it won't break through 743. So I'm looking for a dip maybe in the 50s. Looking for a dip maybe in the 50s. No, I didn't quite see it yet. Very good bottoming wicks. Few good bottoming wicks. What about this? Is this worth a shot here? RENX. RENX for a weird breakout over 310. That's good. Wow. Here we go in the 50s. I saw it. I didn't take it. 50s one more time. One more time, one more time, one more time, please. One more time. One more time, brother. I was looking at the other stock. Oh, no, 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 missed that. Oh, man, missed that. That's a beautiful setup I missed. Ah, no. Might try it. Might want to retest again. Come on. God, this thing, bro. What a setup. What a dip. What a magnificent dip. Yeah, it's rejecting pretty heavily. So looking for a dip here. It's 10 a.m. I don't know. One more time? Nah, I doubt it. I doubt it. Might be a 5 minute gap. Nah, nah, this is backside. 22 to 10. Maybe I can get a dip here. That would be the next ideal spot for a trade. I'll stay patient. Oh, oh. Right at 22. Dip a little lower. Oh, 10 is that spot. Dude, I missed it. I missed it. Mm, dang it. No. I missed it. Free money right there, man. Free money. Free money. Ah, free money here, bro. Unbelievable. Okay, now it's back here. Bro. Ah, that's so annoying, man. Don't know if I should take this now. It's kind of like I missed the original one. The first dip here. Now I gotta look for a dip a little lower, maybe 10. In teens. There's a seller at 22, 19, 17, 16. There's a seller at 20 still. That seller might come down. Seller coming down. Let's do it. 19. Very nice. I'll take my 10 cents here. If you allow me to have 10 cents, I'll take it. Otherwise, it's going to be a pretty flat stop. It's forming a red gap. Not what I want to see. Oy. Okay, 26. 10 to 8:30. I want to take my 10 cents. I'll take it here. Whatever. I'm in this red gap, so I'm thinking it's not going to work, but if it does, that'll be great. I think it's a fair spot to get out. Okay, looks like I'm wrong. Looks like it's going to work. We'll see what it wants to do. Okay. Okay, looks like that was a great dip, considering there was a red gap here. It broke through it. Okay. Shoot. I didn't respect my strategy on that. Did not respect my strategy. Okay, crazy dip into this gap. I'll take it at around 10. Did we see 10? I think we did. Sizing down on this. No, I think it's good. Big rejection. What's the low? 303. Okay, good thing I didn't take it. What's this other low? We. All right, I'm gonna leave it alone. A GPU here. Don't trust it, but if it gets under 90, stop 78, maybe a little dip. See how it develops and wants to trade. I don't really trust it. It's to gain my trust for me to trade this thing. Between, let's say, 400 shares, small size. I want to see this thing work. If you give me a good position and a good resolution, I'll begin to size up. 90. Needs to hold 78. Ooh, 78. That's kind of a bit too low there. Yeah, out. Seller popped up. Good thing I got it with small size. Got a great fill right down there, but still worth the shot. It was holding well. Now everything's sinking. All right, I'm gonna take a break. Interesting. You can give this another try. 88 to 80. Small size because I still don't trust it. Wow. Not quite there, huh? Not quite there. I have a strong target on this. Do I? That's my target. 33.31. No, actually, 33.50. Oh, we dropped. Dropped right there under drop 87. Look at that. Massive volume on that red candle. Well, we got a lot of volume to buy it up. Then everything got sold off. We'll see. All right, let's see if this is gonna hold here. Could be good. Like, come on. Are you joking? You got me the worst possible fill there. That's crazy. You got me the worst possible fill. Ah, all right. Back on this gap or what? 80. I know right here, tight stop 80. Think it could hold. Oh, okay. All right, leaving it alone. Leaving it alone. Getting pretty chopped out of AGPU. I will take that dip under 92. I'll try one more dip. No dip, man. I don't think dips are working well on this thing. Hmm. Are we gonna get this breakout here? I don't trust it, man. It's already hurt me a few times. 19 is that low. I see sellers at 20 though. Buyers at 20, I mean. No. Buyers at 20 seem to have worked, those buyers. Mm, no. Way too choppy. Mm, Yeah. Here we got dip, possible dip here. 18 is that low. Oh, that was 31. Might go for the break of 50. So it did below 31. That we could potentially take. No. Dip. Small size, don't trust it. Hasn't given me opportunities on dips, but maybe here now that we have volume. Volume on our backs, pushing us forth. Small size, no big deal. There was 31, there was 31, there's 30. Hard to trust any of these levels. The way it's moving. Hmm. 30 again. Okay, 29. Okay, 29. Interesting. Hmm. I do it here now. That dip at 29. Back to 33. All right, so we're gonna call it here. The market is picking up in volatility in the Momo, and we're making some good progress here. So 3 days back to back over 400 bucks. That is nice to see. Started off with a very good trade. Size down in some places where I got a massive win, 50 cents per share. Very nice, but that's the point. The point is we got to take those trades. So that's very good. So started off with the Small loss here, going for that breakout, going for that gap and go in at 14. Does it hold 6? It had to hold 6. It broke 6, came back around, chopped around. My next trade was here, right here on this gap and go. Needed to hold 16. In right there, 17. So I know the algos are in there because it holds 16, right where that gap starts, right here at 16. So anyway, that gap formed. Waited for the pullback in at 17, out 83 and 65. Very nice trade. Powerful trade. Only 400 shares though. That's all right. I mean, 400 shares is good enough for this. Kept going all the way up to hold up of 735. Wow. So kept going up even though it went all the way to 65, 83, came back down and then ripped again. What a beautiful move. In right here, $7 on the hold resumption, 694. Kept it pretty tight, 200 shares. Tried it one more time. No, kept it pretty tight. Tried it one more time here, 78, looking for the push. I'm thinking this has to be the double bottom and it has to go. Nope. Tried it one more time. I tried like 3 times. Jeez. All worth it though. All worth the shot. 600 shares though. This time I added more size to it. I'm thinking, okay, this has to be the spot. In right there, 62. Man, I'm looking for a bigger move. It hit a high of 85. I could have taken it out, but no, out 57. Fair enough. Low, that was 40. The dip on this was okay. No, I actually picked up the dip at 41. What a beautiful trade this was. So picked up the trade right there at 41. Maybe scaled out a little too soon at 54. But I was kind of like thinking this is too good to be true. Let me take some out at 54. So I took 254, 260, and 200 at 75, or no, 100 at 75, and the remaining 100 at 714. Excellent. There was a red gap formed right here, so that was a good spot to get out. So beautiful trade right there, and then I get another one here. Man, I was dialed in on this one, huh? Excellent. So dialed in right here, 767, gap and go, 200 shares, looking to add, and I didn't get the chance to add. I was hoping it would give me a chance to add over 70. Yeah, 67, add for the break of 80, but it broke 80, went to 90, came back down to 67. I'm thinking, I don't know if I want to add anymore. Let me see what it can do. Stop on this is 50. I was willing to hold that, I think. I gotta watch the replay, say what my thought process was. If I wanted to add, or if my stop was 50. I think my stop should have been 50. If I didn't say it, it is 50. So I ended up holding bang out right there at 818. Excellent trade. 200 shares. That's crazy. 50 cents per share. Excellent. And then it kind of just died out for the rest of the day. So no trades at all. I think there was a tiny little trade here that I missed. I didn't take this. That's all right. RENX, RENX rather. Gap and go here. Too tight. Stop is too tight. I have to keep holding it because look at that. 94 is the stop. Is it 94? Yeah, 94 in a 99. Come on, man. You have to hold that. Look at that beautiful move. Well, it didn't actually go all the way there. I think it only went up to like 310. And this is a phantom wick. I gotta watch the replay, but yeah, phantom wick. So there I'm risking 5 cents. I'm looking for 15. So I'm looking to 315 maybe. Is that even possible? Yeah. Yeah, that's why getting the right fill matters because I'm in there at 3. If I'm getting there at 97 with a stop on 90, 94, you know, that gives me a better risk to reward. So kept that tight. Anyway, tried another one here. Yeah, tried a really good. I missed this one. This was such a beautiful trade. I missed it. Beautiful resolution all the way to 45. Missed it. Tried it again at 19. Excellent entry. And then there was a red gap. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm just gonna take this out. I don't know if it's actually gonna go. It actually eventually goes all the way up to 39.40, leaving some money on the table, sadly. And that it's what this $60 is what put me right over 400. And I'm thinking, okay, I'm chilling. I'm looking great. I'm staying. I'm looking like it's going to be a nice day, similar to yesterday, which is great. Then came AGPU. With AGPU, I took a dip right on this gap, out flat, not good enough for me. It didn't work right away. I was able to get out right before it broke 78, so that's good. Anyway, came back around, chopped around. Another one on the gap failed. High on this is 80. Probably could have held to 80. I don't know. In again though, 85, 81. So I guess this is fine. In 87, in 81. This is such much better entry. So good read on my end, knowing that this thing is gonna come down a little more. Out 77, just to see this thing bounce right at 74. Right at VWAP, it seems like. Anyway, then I just didn't trust it. I had a trade here. There's a tiny little dip here at 29. It's on the recording. I saw it. I didn't take it, but man, this would have been the same thing as yesterday. In at a specific dip, beautiful, hold through the chop, and then this thing just goes, right? Goes all the way up to 4. Man. Ah, dang it, dang it. This was worth like 600 shares. I would have held to low 3 in at 29. I don't know. That's high up the gap. It would have been a tight stop to look for it a little lower. Anyway, all right. That's gonna be it. Good day. Good risk to reward. Excellent. Biggest winner, biggest loser. Nice. 3.7 profit factor, 38% accuracy. Low accuracy, but that's okay as long as our winners are bigger. Holding my winners for longer, that's excellent. I love to see this, man. I love to see this. Knowing that I can hold my winners for longer. 13 trades, average trade, 31 bucks. Very good day. Very good day. Looking at the calendar now. So we closed the month up 1,500. Well, after fees and commissions, we'll say 13, 12, and 800 for the past 3 months. Starting the month strong, April 1st, 411 bucks. Good day. So hopefully this week remains very strong. So very good days, right? Back to back 3 days with 400 bucks. Nice. Very nice. We'll take it. I'll take it. I will take it. Anyways, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, give our free trading analysis a tool. So I'll show you real quick. Bang, bang, add your file. Click free trading, and use free analysis tool. Click on that. Then click analyze. And let's see. So we got yeah, so this is basically the same thing I just had. Oh, well, it has I deleted this one share trade from my trades because obviously it's a test trade, so I got to delete that. So my accuracy, it's a little off. Yeah, it's off. It's a little higher because this has ended up being a winning trade. Anyway, whatever. What am I saying? So come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. So that was a free trading analysis tool. What else? Check out our features. The best feature here is the charts. By all standards, by all measures, the charts is the best feature. Followed by this page. This page is very popular for our traders. And our beautiful calendar. Look at this beautiful calendar, right? Excellent. Anyway, try it for $5 a month, 50 a year. Help us out, a new broker. If you help us out in your broker, you'll get a month for free. Hit me up on Discord, and I will see you tomorrow for Thursday. Hopefully, we continue this good streak. Anyway, have no expectations coming tomorrow, seeing what the market gives me. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.